Dang! Help! Look at, there he is. Look at this, bro. I'm gonna go in after it. Yeah! Good 12 pounds. Give or take 2 pounds.
Get that thing away from me.
Yeah, you don't know what a fish looks like. You're right about that. Open that lid.
There's a whitefish right there.
Yeah, a little devil.
Woo! Get him away from it. Where you hooked me. Woo-wee.
Good gosh, mine tried to swallow the whole bait. Look at that. Get a picture down in here. This big one, all these big ones I caught. You caught a couple of these little ones, and that's about it. Icing down the catch. I have fish this time, I'm telling you. That is a good sized stump. This may be fish du jour. Fish of the day. Look at that rod.